Hello and welcome. In this video, we will show you how to buy and enroll a DigiCert Document Signing Certificate. On our website, go to DigiCert Brands and scroll down to the Document Signing section. Select the type of document signing certificate that you require. On this page, you can review the features of the certificate and select the number of years and add to cart. On the billing page, enter the required billing and payment details and click on Continue. Review the cart details on the next page and click on Confirm Order. The order is placed, but we are not done yet. You need to enroll the order. Click on Enroll now. On the enrollment page, fill in the required information and submit the order. If you have ordered an individual certificate, make sure to enter the individual details instead of an organization. Once submitted, the order status will change to pending and will be sent to the certificate authority for validation. After the completion of the validation, a DigiCert hardware token containing the certificate will be shipped to your verified address. To initiate the token, a DigiCert hardware installer needs to be downloaded and installed on the computer. Please contact our support team as soon as the hardware is delivered because the token will require an initialization code that will be provided by our team only once the hardware is received on the verified address. You will receive detailed instruction from our end once the order is issued, and you can contact our support team for assistance at any point. Thank you for watching.